Sits her down nicely, Zamboanga. Cuts in the hips inside control. Good work from Denise Zamboanga. There's some firearm here for Denise Zamboanga. Firearm here for Denise Zamboanga.
Tinigil na mga bossing.
August 28, 2020, nang dumayo sa bansang Thailand ang ating pambato sa MMA 1 Championship na si Denise Damanis Zamboanga. Makakaharap niya dito mga bossing ang pambato ng bansang Thailand na si Watsapinya Dream Girl Kai Kong. Sa laban na ito mga bossing ay hindi na pinatagal ng ating pambato ang kanyang katunggali. Ang ating pambato na si Denise ay may kartadang 2 panalo at walang bahid ng talo. Samantala ang Thai MMA fighter naman na si Watsapinya ay ito pa lamang ang kanyang kauna-unahang pagsabak sa MMA 1 Championship. Huwag na natin patagalin to mga bossing, bakbakan agad. Denise Zamboanga versus Watsapinya ng bansang Thailand. Round 1 mga bossing. Agresibo ang ating pambato dito mga boss.
A must-win match for Denise Zamboanga. And indeed, 74% of fans
Binanatan kagad na ating pambato.
on the one super app believe that Zamboanga will retain that number 1 position and beat Watsapinya tonight. Denise towers over her. Physically larger than the Thai. The power early on here from Denise Zamboanga. More Thai clinch and the gut punching knees from the Filipina. Beautiful control. Watsapinya trying to snake her arms around the neck. Denise won't let her get there. This is the start that Zamboanga wanted. Watsapinya puts on a knee guard against the ropes. Zamboanga changes levels. Double leg here. Sits her down nicely, Zamboanga.
Lakas ni Denise dito mga bossing.
Good work from Denise Zamboanga. There's some ground and pound for the world number 1. We know that
wala na.
and Bruno Bucci, husband and wife, are watching this one live in Hawaii at the moment. There is no one, Angela, the champion, will be watching more closely than Denise. Far out here for Denise Zamboanga.
Tinigil na mga bossing.
She made it look easy.
Manalo ang ating pambato dito.
She retains the number
Bangis
1
niya.
ranking in the world, Denise
Denise
Zamboanga.
Zamboanga.
She's still coming for Angela Lee. Make no doubt about it. And she did it easy, but she did it easy.
Slow motion mga idol.
Denise Zamboanga, look at this inside the clinch. She lands a couple of nice knees, decides to take this match to the ground, walks in the double leg, and puts Dream Girl down. Sits here in side control and just takes her time, very composed, very relaxed. Attacks that Americana on the far side, starts cranking on it. And beautiful submission. Just Denise just kind of cemented that number 1 position here in the rankings.
The Filipina now goes 8-0 with
Panalo si Denise mga bossing. Lakas.
3-0 in 1 championship. Number 1 in the world. Here's Dom Lau.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner is from the red corner, Denise Zamboanga.
Ang galing ni Denise dito mga bossing. Lakas.